Morning, guys. It is July the 4th. Our three wheels, we're fixing to pull out. Alright guys, we have pulled out of the driveway on our way. Guys, I'm just enjoying the ride. I mean, this is therapy for me. My job is stressful, but I dream of getting to ride. I mean, it is my stress reliever. Ready for this vacation. Gonna have a great time. It's all about being with friends. I mean, every one of them's friends. Even though we don't get to see much of each other, we're friends. We see each other on YouTube. And I'm just enjoying my ride today. Guys, we have made it to Eton. And we're fixing to stop and eat breakfast. Look at that sight, guys. Beautiful mountains. I love it. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is it, guys. This is awesome. Yes, Savannah Winery. They got some good wine. Slushies. But I know what I'm getting. Don't really have to taste it, because I know what I want. There's a good many folks here this morning. Alright, I got me 3 bottles of strawberry, 1 bottle of blueberry, and I got me some fudge. Okay, evidently we're going to see the Dolly statue. Dolly Parton's statue is in Sevierville, Tennessee. Guys, it is so hot. Bunch of 4th of July stands up. Look at the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. I love riding in the mountains. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. In the shade. Beautiful. Breathtaking. We're in, I don't even remember. But we are pulling into the motel room that we're staying in tonight, the Best Western. Okay, check-in is here. But actually the rooms are up there.